What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you the light bulb changing kit. It's going to be safer and faster than using a ladder. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, so here we have a couple of the attachments that comes with the kit, and you stick it on the end of a pole, and you can extend it and go ahead and pull out a light bulb that's super high that you don't need a ladder to get onto. I've known people who've fallen off ladders trying to change a light bulb. It is not worth the risk, even though, you know, I can climb a ladder. Almost anybody can climb a ladder, no big deal, right? But like I said, not worth the risk, and I'll show you how this thing works. Okay, so we have one of these attachments, and we've got the pole that you can screw this onto, and takes 2 seconds. Like I said, it's just not worth getting on a ladder and falling off. I've known that to happen, people getting hurt, seriously injured. And besides, this thing is really, really fast. So I just screwed it on, take a light bulb, any like regular sized light bulb for this particular one. And I'm gonna pop that in there, and you'll see me screw it into the ceiling, which is really high. And I don't need a ladder, so it'll be real quick. Watch this. Okay, so here we have a ceiling that's about 15 feet tall. I'm about 5'9", and here's the light bulb, and all you gotta do is just line it up, screw it in, pull it off of there, and there's a light.